born, like all Spartans, he was inspected. If he had been small or funny or sickly or misshapen, he would have been discarded. From the time he could stand, he was baptized in the fire of combat, taught never to retreat, never to surrender, taught that death on the battlefield in service to Sparta was the greatest glory he could achieve in his life. At the age of 7, as is customary in Sparta, the boy was taken from his mother and plunged into the world of violence.